How to remove background in only one click using artificial intelligence. We'll use ClipDrop, a free-to-use website and mobile app with many dashing features that can save you time. So let's go for it. First, open up your browser, go to the address bar and write clipdrop.co and hit enter. Now just go to the apps and click on remove background. Here you'll see the screen with 4 sample images to see how powerful this app is. Let's give it a try. Just click or drag your image here. Let's add our image. For now, let's go for the SD option. There you go. This is the magic of only one click. You can manage to view the background using this gray circle. One fantastic thing about ClipDrop is that it can even remove background of graphics and paintings. How cool is that?